Hi guys, it's Jenny with Art for Good. Have you ever wondered how artists are able to have all these different types of products printed with their artwork on them? Everything from throw pillows to shoes to clothing, bags, you name it. There's a lot of opportunity there for you to add some printed products to your portfolio of things that you're selling as an artist or a crafter. So I'm going to share how I do that through Printify in connection with my Etsy store. It's super simple, fast, and seamless. And I am not affiliated with Printify or Etsy in any way other than the fact that I just use them personally for my own store. So I more just want to share these tips for how to do this quickly and easily. And if I'm speaking your language, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below for more videos like this with tips on the business of art. So let me show you how I do it.
So Printify has dozens and dozens of items that you can search through in their catalog that you can customize with your artwork. So for example, here, let's just make a rug. There are a bunch of different options. I'm gonna pick an outdoor rug. You can sort of scroll through and see what some of the promotional pictures would look like. All of the specifications are there. If you hit customize, then you can upload your artwork, which I already have in library here from some other items. So I'll just pick one to show you sort of how it works. But it has a template here for you. It's very easy to use. And you just size your image to the template. You can hit preview to see what some of the promotional pictures will look like. You can check it out and make sure it looks good. And then hit save. In this next step is where you customize your listing for Etsy. You can change the title of the rug, give it a catchy title. You can change the description. You can add keywords that'll help you get discovered in Etsy. You can assign a shipping profile based on what the item is. And then it also gives you pricing. It'll give you a suggested retail price as well as what your profit would be on each item. So the best part about Printify is that you don't have to do anything. An Etsy customer can purchase an item and they will do all of the fulfillment, and then you get your $14 in this instance. When you're ready, you hit publish, and that will automatically sync to your Etsy store. So here's my Etsy store just to sort of show you what it looks like. I have some categories that are not art. This is blankets. So I have that same image that you saw earlier, and this is in a blanket form. So this is a live listing on my site. So it's really that easy. That's all you have to do.
Now, if you're just getting started trying to sell your art or making a business out of your craft, I've created a playlist for you right here that'll give you some more tips and tricks like this. See you next time.